Let's see other algorithm, finding the maximum of two integers. So in this case, in this problem, we have to give input as a two integers, and we need to take a decision which of these two is maximum element. Okay, as I said already, so there are three windows here. The left window will be showing for editing the flowchart, and right corner window is for auto generated source code. Means whenever you insert a symbol, immediately corresponding source code will be generated in the right hand corner of the window, and the bottom right corner is which is console window, we call it as. In this console window you can both enter input and also display the output. So this is an input output window, you can think of it, right? As I already told you, our aim is not to generate the code. We have to write the code on our own later on when I started explaining you code. Now it is only for your understanding sake. So through this tool you can also generate the code step by step process in a step after the other, you can say, right? Let's see the finding of maximum of two integers. So the flowchart goes like this. So now I have to take the input here. So let's say I'm pressing that arrow. When I press, it will show various symbols available. For input I have to choose parallelogram. So this parallelogram you can see, and other symbols also. This parallelogram I have to name it. Let us say the variable name is A, and then press OK. So next the code, auto code is generated right hand side. Now next symbol also we have to insert input. So let's call it as a variable B. Let us name it a variable B. Now two inputs are inserted. So next task is what? We have to either take a decision. So in this case we have to take a decision which of the there are loop is there and other instruction is there. Now I am choosing the diamond symbol. This is basically to check the which is greater. Now I am writing the condition here, A is greater than B. So in this case it may be true or it may be false. It may take either of these two paths. So when it is true, we have to print A is greater output. So that's that I am for that I am showing taking assignment operation. So this assignment operation is for what? I am assigning the greater value to a variable called max. So temporarily I am taking the max variable, so that to be A is the greater, so I am writing that now. So max equal to A means what? A is greater than B true. That means what? Max variable is now storing the value A. Now let us insert left hand side another assignment symbol. So in this case max is what? A is greater than B. False means what? Max is B. So that is the case here. So two cases we have inserted, and then finally what we have to so two paths are taken, we have to print the output. So output is stored in which variable now? Max variable. In both the cases, either left path or right path, we have max variable to be outputted. Let me delete it. So output variable to be displayed is max. So let me type this max is done. Now as earlier as I said, we need to declare the variables before we use in this software. It is a software dependent, not necessary for all the software, this symbol. So declare symbol I am choosing. So three variables are there, A, B and max variable. You can see here A, B are there and also max variable is there. So I am going to declare all these three variables. Let us say A comma B comma and max. As I said again here, different data types available. I'll explain you later on, that we no need to think. So now I am choosing integer here. So corresponding code is generated. So you can say align the code using this symbol. So let me align so that it looks properly in a blockwise manner. So that is the code generated. You can see for each code corresponding color also right hand side. So symbol corresponding same color is in the right hand side also. For each instruction there is a corresponding code generated. For each symbol there is a corresponding code. Let us run this code. So as I said, we have two options. I am choosing the run step option using F6. So now first instruction is executed, that is in green color. Now second instruction is taking input. Let us say I am entering the value for A. Let us assume the value is 8. Then I am pressing the F6. I will get next instruction is so B. reading B. So I am taking input for B. Let us take some value here. Let us say 5. So I entered 5, press OK. Then, so now it's the time for decision. 8 greater than 5, which is greater to right hand side path is following. 8 is greater than 5 means now right hand path. Now I am storing the A in max, means what? Max is storing the value A, means what? 8 is stored in max now. So when I try to take that step, it is going to the right hand side. Press F6, it will go to the next step, that is the right hand side. Now after that, what is the next instructions to be executed? Output the max value. So output the max value, it is displayed as a 8 as a maximum element. So this is end of one path. Let us see other path. If it is otherwise case, 8 is not greater than 5 case. So means we will take other example in this case. So when element is lesser, let us take input here. Let's take some value smaller. So instead of 8, I'll take, let us say 4. And then we have second input value B. So this should be greater value. That means I'll enter, let us say some value 7. Now in this case, condition happens, A is not greater than B. That means what? False. So it will choose the left path. So left path is what? Max is assigned with the value B now. Earlier it was max is assigned with value A. Now I am choosing the different path for a different input now. It is to test all cases, that's the only thing. Now output max contains output 7. In this case, max is 7. Now this is how finding the maximum of two elements.